Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm super excited, but also I feel like I have an addiction problem to Luvme Hair. Like, I just love this hair company from, the original, their first wig that I got from them. You saw my videos, the wig was tight, but I just started I got different wigs from there and their hair quality is so good, and I have been wearing the wigs glueless. So it fits tight, but it fits not too tight, but snug. So Love Me Hair has really been my go-to company these last couple of months, and I really think I got a problem. I'm addicted to Love Me Hair, so I might need to go to an anonymous group. I don't know, but their wigs is such good quality hair, and as you know, that I'm not sponsored from them. This is purchased for me, and I am the type, I'm a mother. I know it is. You want to look good, you want to feel good, but you don't want to break the bank. And Love Me Hair, they really have good deals, and they also have coupons. If you join their Facebook group, so they have very affordable wigs, and I can attest to them. I still got a couple of wigs from them that is like a year old, and the hair quality is that good. So I love them. So right now they just been my go-to. I have not bought from AliExpress in a while. Just been going to Love Me Hair. But yes, and these two wigs that I got, I plan on doing glueless, but I don't know. One of the wigs that I got that I'm going to be wearing next month to a concert, Chris Brown and Lil Baby. I might wear that one glue because I want to do a up down do, and it's gonna be July. I don't want my wig to be sweating, flying off, looking crazy because when Chris Brown get on stage, yes, I know I'm gonna be dancing. I don't know little baby songs like that, okay, but I don't want my wig to be flying and slipping, but yeah, so I will come back on when I install that wig. But today is just an opening unboxing, just looking at the textures of the two wigs. So yes, I'm telling the truth. Like, I'm so serious. Like, Love Me Hair is good quality hair. And I hate when you go onto YouTube and stuff like that, and you can't, and when you as a, I want to say, us as not big influencers, famous and stuff like that, when we order something that a big influencer receive, we're not going to get the same quality hair. And I have noticed that in some hair companies, when the influencer or the YouTuber or whoever do the video, and then when you order the wig, you're not going to get the same type of hair. And that has happened to me plenty of times. But every time I have ordered from Love Me Hair, I have gotten good quality hair, whether it's somebody I saw on YouTube or I'm just looking on their website, which is majority of the time I'm looking on their website and looking at the hair that I see and I want to wear, and it's good quality hair. So if you want to bang for your buck, you want some good quality hair, Love Me Hair is it. And y'all saw my last wig that throw on and go. Baby, love it. My mom kind of took it from me. She's been wearing it, but I still love that wig. So, yes. But today, I ordered two wigs, okay? At first, I had to go ahead and take it out the UPS box because I was kind of upset because I was like, hold up, wait up a minute. I got two wigs. I need to have two boxes. So I just went ahead and opened it, and I saw my little two bags was in there. I said, okay, my little shit bag. Okay, I was about to say, okay, don't mess up my coins. Okay, I ain't want to. I was getting upset, but yes, as you can see, the Love Me Hair purple box. When you see that, make sure it's upside down. When you see that Love Me Hair, it's in the box. So yes, and as you can see, purple and gold. And you're gonna always get the note inside. Um, just a discount code when you join Facebook group, and they give $10, and this is a $5 uh gift card that they sent me. So I got a total of two. So I got $10 because I just ordered a wig from them. So as you can see, when I open it up, my two bags, and on the inside, I always want to see the goodies that I received. I always want to see the goodies. So you just see always the instructions that you get from them. Always gonna need stocking caps. Okay, black melanin woman on the stocking cap. Okay, and Luvme Hair bag. Yes, edge comb. Ooh, what is that? Oh, that might be from the bag. Yeah, it's from the bag. But edge comb to do your edges. Got a whole bunch of these. Satin Luvme Hair scarves. I got a whole bunch of those. And then I don't know what this is. Looks like a new goodie. Say love me. Oh, it's a mirror for your purse. Okay. It's a mirror and they got love me on it. I like that. That's cute. It's a mirror. I'm gonna have the description at the bottom of each wig, but I'm gonna also have a picture, let you know what it looks like on the website. So the first wig that I bought, I wanted to do like a kinky curly neck length, and that's basically what it said on the website. Like it was a neck length kinky curly type hair. So I am going to bleach those knots. As you can see, that's what the knots look like up close. And this is a 5x5 if I'm not mistaken. And it is HD. Okay. And look. Okay. Band on the inside. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Comb on the back. Two combs on the side. And this is what it looks like. So it's either a 5x5 or a 4x4, but I'm pretty sure it's a 5x5. Should I have everything listed? So this is what it looks like fresh out the pack. So like that kinky curly, no weird smell. So yes, and I plan on doing this one glueless. So, but I love a wig that already okay, and it got yes, Luvme Hair. Okay, so you could take the strap out, but it has three slots right here if you need to adjust them. Okay, so it can be a glueless wig. And you probably don't have to do no product, so you can fit it to your liking. So you basically could just, you know, put some foundation, whatever you use to tint your lace, and put it on your head, and you don't even have to you don't have to put no product on there. So if that makes sense. So even when I say like, I know some people when they say glueless, like you could use like Gots to Be or boho, um, like jelly. I'm talking like no products. Like just throw it on, put it on, walk out the door. You probably could do that. I am gonna wash the wig. I'm gonna wash it first. What I always do, always wash my wigs before I put them on my head. Always, always. But I am gonna try it on just for camera purposes. But usually when I put a wig on, I wash my hair. So, so y'all already know I got a big head. So we about to see. Okay. So this, I don't know if y'all remember, like when I used to, one of my videos, I had like a curly install, and I didn't know how to put my I was just starting how to put my wig on. Boy, I used to have my wigs like all the way up here, like touch my eyebrows, and that's how some girls do be wearing their wigs too. So no, you gotta pull it back. Gotta pull it back, cause you know. Like, only person I really think they hairline probably touching they eyebrows is what's that lady name from Real Housewives of New Jersey? And I'm Teresa. I think she probably the only one like her eyebrows probably touching her hairline touching her eyebrows, but it don't go like that. So I'm gonna push it back and oh, I can't wait to. Mm, hey girl, look at them curls. They look real good. That look real good. And probably tweeze it a little bit. But yes, okay. And you know me, I like big hair. So you already know I'm gonna tease out. So I am gonna wash it. So I'm gonna see what it looks like. Making it bigger. Ooh, yes. Like I don't know if it's me, but getting my hair done, buying new wig, it just do something to my soul. It ooh, it just do something to my soul. I just bought this thing from Amazon, okay? See how this works versus my AirPods. Okay. 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 No. So this what it looks like. The hair like comb. Okay, Diana Ross. I just thought everything before. I like it. And you already know. Like
Thank
it.
you for watching and see you in my next video when I install it. Bye.